Fix stock default launcher on Android full reset tutorial. Is your Android stuck on the wrong default launcher? I tested 3 reset methods in 2025 and here's how to fix it fast. So why launchers get stuck? When you set a launcher as default, Android remembers it. If you can't switch back, it's because the default settings is stuck in app preferences. So first is to clear default. So go to settings and then from here go ahead and scroll down and look for the apps tab. And once you find it, click on it. And then once you're inside it, go ahead and look for default apps and then select home app. Select the launcher you want. If it's stuck, open the old launcher's app info and tap clear defaults. Now, if that doesn't work, go to settings, apps, and then head over into the reset app preferences. So these clears all default app choices, including the stock launcher. And lastly would be full launcher reset. Finally, uninstall updates or disable the stock launcher, then reinstall or enable your preferred launcher. This forces Android to reset the home app choice. Take note, don't disable core system launchers unless you've already installed a replacement. Otherwise, you'll lose home screen access. Now you know how to reset a stock default launcher on Android in 2025. So did these steps fix yours? Drop your experience in the comments.